Would you rather fight a gorilla every single day for the rest of your life or everything that you think happens?
I'm absolutely squaring up and fighting the gorilla, bro.
Bro, on the way here, I rode past a guy on a lawnmower, and I thought if that dude hits a rock and it shoots through my passenger side window, knocks me unconscious, and I swerve into the oncoming traffic. I thought that on the way here, bro. Give me the gorilla. Bro, every time I ride by someone who throws a cigarette out the window, I think I'm going to be leaking gas, and that thing's going to land on the gas and kaboom.